everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. We're gonna be making a Nashville Hot Chicken Shake, and that would be like a seasoning blend, not a milkshake, which when I told Rick what I was gonna make, he looked at me like, and I said, no, not a milkshake. We're making a delicious, flavorful, salty, and slightly sweet Nashville Hot Chicken Seasoning Shake, and I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. To be making my take on a Nashville hot chicken seasoning. We're going to call it a Nashville hot chicken shake, and this isn't going to be as hot as a traditional Nashville hot chicken seasoning because I don't like eating things that make your head explode. So I do like eating spicy things though, and I think this is going to be full of flavor. This seasoning blend is super easy, and if you don't have some of the ingredients here that I'm using, don't worry about it. You can just substitute some things out and I'll let you know. Or you can leave them out altogether. We're going to start with 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons of demerara sugar. This is just an unrefined granulated sugar. This is easy enough to find in the grocery store. 1/4 cup or 4 tablespoons of kosher salt, 2 tablespoons of finely ground black pepper, 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons of chipotle, this is smoked jalapeno powder, 2 tablespoons of ancho chili powder, 2 tablespoons of sweet paprika, 2 tablespoons of granulated onion, and 2 tablespoons of granulated garlic. If you do not have these 2 items, the chipotle powder and the ancho chili powder, no worries. Just use regular chili powder. It's going to be fine. And if you don't have chili powder, you could just leave it out. But I would double up on the paprika at that point. It's not that spicy. No. The ancho chili is very mild.
It's a nice taste.
The chipotle I put in here for its smoky properties. It's a delicious...
It's just smoky jalapeno, right?
It's a smoked jalapeno, yes. And then it's usually packed in adobo sauce if you get them in the can, you know. So this is, it smells, I wish you could smell it because it smells super fragrant. You get the smokiness from the chipotle. You can smell all of these seasonings, the garlic and the onion. The cayenne hit me a little while ago when I was laying everything out and I was having a sneezing fit. But, so you know my shtick here. We're just gonna gather everything up in this paper and then we're gonna pour it into the jar. Just gather it all up, pour it all in, and make sure you have a jar that's large enough because the worst part of making seasoning blends is if you have a jar that's too small and there's no room for shaking and blending, or you've overflowed it and you have to clean up and find another jar and it just makes extra time. That's all. So now we're just gonna put a lid on it and we're gonna shaky, shaky, shaky. You wanna shake this up super well. This would also be great as a gift. You guys, I love giving seasoning blends as gifts, especially at Christmas when I can do 2 or 3 different ones and put them in pretty jars and then package them up in boxes or sweet gift bags, and that's a lovely way to give a gift. It's also a great thing to give, like if you've been invited to a barbecue or something, show up and use this as your hostess gift. I mean, who wouldn't love this? So there it is. I want to taste it. Oh wow, that's really good. It's not too spicy. Even with 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper. Now I'm telling you, after doing all of my research, most recipes for these Nashville Hot Chicken Shake call for 6 tablespoons of cayenne pepper. No thank you. I feel like you can totally adapt this to your own preference and make it as hot or as not hot as you want. This is really Nashville not so hot chicken seasoning. Yeah. But it's super flavorful and it packs a punch, and I know you're gonna love it. You can use this as you would if you like to make Nashville hot chicken. That is how you make Nashville Hot Chicken Shake seasoning blend. I hope you give it a try, and I hope you love it. And until next time, Happy New Year.